The Dremel 8240 Cordless Rotary Tool Kit delivers corded level power from a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, so it feels confident and capable even on tougher cutting and grinding jobs. Its variable speed range, spanning from low to very high revolutions per minute, makes it easy to dial in precise control for everything from delicate sanding to aggressive material removal. The slim, well-balanced body with a full-length soft grip area keeps the tool comfortable and secure in hand during longer sessions, reducing fatigue compared with bulkier rotary tools. Because it works with the full ecosystem of Dremel accessories and attachments, this kit can handle an impressive variety of tasks including cutting, sanding, polishing, engraving, and sharpening. The built-in accessory change system lets you swap bits quickly without hunting for a separate wrench, which makes small jobs and frequent changes much less of a hassle. Thoughtful touches like the battery status indicator and cooling vents help you avoid surprise shutdowns and keep the tool running smoothly and quietly while you work.